Welcome back to the Legal Gangsta Network. Today we're covering a big question. Is it legal to record a police officer in Texas? Please note, this video is for educational purposes only, not legal advice. And hey, if you find this information helpful, don't forget to hit that follow and subscribe button. And let us know in the comments if you have ever recorded a police encounter, describe what occurred, and share the outcome.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Let's start with the basics of recording police encounters in Texas. Generally, you have a constitutional right to record officers as long as you don't interfere with their duties. This right is protected by the First Amendment, which allows us to record in public spaces, including law enforcement encounters.
That's right, but keep in mind Texas Penal Code Section 38.15, which defines what it means to interfere with an officer's duties. While the law doesn't restrict your right to record, it does prohibit obstructing or impeding police work. So, always keep a safe distance and stay respectful.
Now, from a civilian's perspective, here's what you should know to record safely and legally. First, maintain distance. About 15 to 20 feet is a good range that shows respect and keeps you out of harm's way. Second, stay calm and quiet. No sudden movements or shouting.
Exactly. The goal is to capture what's happening without drawing attention to yourself or interrupting the officers. Now let's look at this from a law enforcement perspective. Officers are generally trained to understand that civilians have a right to record. They know that unless recording directly prevents them from doing their job, they don't have a right to make you stop. But if an officer feels that your recording is interfering, they may ask you to step back. If this happens, it's best to comply and respect their space. When both sides understand the law, it can lead to a safer interaction for everyone involved. All right, let's talk about how to record respectfully and legally. Here are a few tips. 1. Stay calm and collected. No confrontational body language. 2. Announce your intentions. Say something like, "I'm recording for my own safety," to be clear and open. 3. Hold your camera steady. Use both hands if possible and avoid any quick or sudden movements. 4. Avoid interrupting or commenting. Let officers do their job while you quietly record. 5. Stand on public property. Make sure you're not in any restricted areas and keep a safe distance.
Remember, this isn't about challenging officers, it's about capturing what's happening without escalation. Stay professional, stay steady, and stay silent.
Let's break down Texas Penal Code Section 38.15. This code outlines what constitutes interference with public duties. Interference includes anything that obstructs an officer's ability to perform their job. Things like standing too close, blocking their line of sight, or physically getting in the way.
If you're recording, it's up to you to ensure your actions don't cross the line. Keep your distance, stay quiet, and allow the officer to do their job. That way, you're staying legal while documenting what's happening. Now, let's talk about what isn't allowed. There are a few situations where recording might actually be illegal. 1. Recording on private property. Without permission, you could face trespassing charges. 2. Obstructing traffic. Standing in the middle of the street to record could lead to a ticket. 3. Direct obstruction. Physically blocking an officer from performing their duties is definitely a no-go.
To stay safe, respect the officer's workspace, record from a public area, and make sure you're out of the way. Recording police encounters can be a powerful tool for accountability. It's all about documenting safely, respectfully, and legally. When done right, recording can help protect both you and the officer by providing an accurate record of what happened.
Remember, your goal is to document, not to escalate or provoke. By knowing your rights and staying respectful, you're creating a safer situation for everyone. If you want to read up on the laws we discussed, you can look up Texas Penal Code Section 38.15 and the First Amendment's protection of freedom of speech and press. Together, these give you a solid foundation for understanding your rights when recording.
And that's our breakdown on recording police officers in Texas. Always remember, it's about respect and safety.
If you found this helpful, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to the Legal Gangster Network. And let's get a conversation going in the comments. Have you ever had to record a police encounter?
Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember to record responsibly. See you next time.